stop you. You just keep going. And I made in my mind this time, I'm not gonna stop you again. If you wanna keep listening to your friends, who want us to be history anyway, then you just go right ahead. No, I'm not saying that I don't love you no more. It's just that I'm not gonna stop you. No, 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 I'm not gonna stop you.
When we first met, I thought you really and truly loved me. Who says I couldn't be a fool? But material things won't play a part in my life anymore. It would be love and true love from now on. I don't read the newspaper anymore. Whoa, whoa. This house is just a bore, baby. I don't smell your sweet perfume, sweet, oh no, no. I need someone to lay in my bedroom. I need someone to laugh and love and cry with me, yeah. Oh, oh, baby, baby. Someone to love me for me. Ooh, wee, wee. Someone, 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 someone who will disagree sometimes when I'm wrong. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need someone.
a yacht with you only. But I don't understand if you need a man. If you can give me just a sign, baby, then I take your hand to my love land and make you mine, oh mine, lady. Let me hold you now while I whisper in your ear, I love you. Let me hold you now while I whisper in your ear, I love you. Do you come here often? Do you come here? 'Cause I've seen you before. I ain't trying to serve no drag, baby. I'm begging you politely. I'm begging you, please. Can I have this dance? I really wanna hold you bad, baby. Let me hold you now while I whisper in your ear, I love you. Let me hold you now while I whisper in your ear, I love you. You sure look nice, girl. Are you here alone? Do you mind if we dance all night? Just to hold you and tell you little things, to show you this romance, right? Let me hold you now while I whisper in your ear, I love you. Let me baby. When was the last time I saw your face, baby? Quit hiding.
Everybody say that you're gonna leave me. I hope it isn't true. I don't know what I would do. So much on my mind, yeah. We've been through things that no others had to. It's time we changed our whole lives, yeah. You see, we've been going together so long. How can anything now go wrong with you? I can't understand. So good inside. I don't want you to go. I don't want you to leave me, baby. Don't say goodbye, no, not forever. I need a special girl in my life. I need someone like you, baby. Don't say goodbye, no, not forever. I need a special girl in my life. I need someone like you, baby. Remember when we used to spend our lives together? I was so young, didn't understand. See, you don't know how it feels to be living by yourself. It's called being a lonely man. I wanna try and fulfill your needs. Ooh, just come inside. We'll turn the lights down low. I wanna make love all night long and never let you go home. Don't say goodbye, no, not forever. I need a special girl in my life. Someone like you, baby. Don't say goodbye, no, not forever. I need a special girl in my life. I need someone like you, baby. See, girl, oh, it's no, baby. Oh, no, just can't make it if you're gone. We should be together. Oh no, baby. Always. Oh no, baby. At 8:45, we'll sip a glass of wine and get nice and cozy, baby. Put your lips close to mine. Don't worry about special girl in my life. I need someone like you, baby. Don't say goodbye, no, not forever. I need a special girl in my life. I need someone like you. Oh, no, babe. I need a special girl in my life. I need someone, someone like you. Don't say goodbye, no, not forever. I need a special girl in my life. I need someone like you, baby. take you home, sweet lady. There's something that I wanna say. I don't wanna hear no ifs or buts or maybes. Just wanna hear you say what you're gonna say. Would you like to spend the night with me, babe? Baby, making love so passionately. I kiss your lips and hold you oh so tight, babe. I kiss your lips so tenderly. How could I be sure you were gonna like my touch? I knew it right from the start. I was gonna want you too much, too much. Before I take you home, sweet lady, there's something that I wanna say. I don't wanna hear no ifs or buts or maybe yes. Just wanna hear you say that you'll stay. Before you give me an answer, let me tell you how you're making me feel. Ooh, I'm not a fool or a chancer. Just wanna know that your love's for real. Would you like to spend the night? Would you like to spend the night with me? Come on, girl, and tell me, stay you just a while. I'll kiss your lips and hold you so tight. I hold you oh so tight. Come on, girl, come on, girl, come on, do.
Heartbreak was the game I used to play.
kept. I can do bad by myself. Quiet as it's kept. I can do bad by myself.
I can do bad by myself. I don't need no help to starve to death. I can do that alone, yeah. I can do bad by myself. I don't need no help to starve to death. Oh, baby, listen. The only time that you treat me sweet is when I get my paycheck at the end of every week. You go out and party and spend every cent, yeah. Don't leave me enough to pay the telephone bill or the rent. I can do bad by myself. I don't need no help to starve to death. I can do that on my own. I can do bad by myself. I don't need no help to starve to death. I'm not trying to be funny, honey. All day long, you've been talking on the telephone, bragging to all your friends about the furniture in our home. But you don't tell them that I'm the one doing it all, while you're out there living it up and having yourself a ball. I can do bad by myself, yeah. I don't need no help to starve to death. I can do that on my own. I can do bad by myself. Oh, I don't need no help to starve to death. And oh, love is a two-way street. You got to give if you want to receive. Oh, it's got to be a 50-50 thing. It's so hard for one to do it all alone. So are you gonna hit the road, or are you gonna share the load? 'Cause I can do that by myself. I don't need no help to starve to death. I don't need no assistance for that. I can do bad by myself. I don't need no help to starve to death. No, baby, I sure can't use it. You've been hanging out with those friends of yours, dipping in 6 a.m. through the front door.